What is the spleen's role in lymphoma development? Imagine your immune system as a busy city with various neighborhoods working together to keep you healthy. One of these neighborhoods is the spleen, a small but vital organ tucked under your rib cage on the left side. The spleen acts like a filter for your blood and a hub for immune cells, especially lymphocytes, which are white blood cells that fight infections. In the world of lymphoma, a type of blood cancer that affects these lymphocytes, the spleen can play a significant role. Lymphoma develops when lymphocytes, particularly B cells or T cells, start growing uncontrollably. The spleen is a secondary lymphoid organ, meaning it's a place where lymphocytes mature and respond to threats. When the immune system encounters an infection or an antigen, the spleen helps coordinate the response. However, this environment can sometimes contribute to abnormal growth if genetic mutations happen or if immune regulation is disrupted. One specific type of lymphoma closely linked to the spleen is splenic marginal zone lymphoma. This is a slow-growing B-cell lymphoma that originates in the spleen's marginal zone, a specialized area rich in immune activity. The B cells here are usually experienced in responding to antigens, but in some cases, they can become malignant after prolonged stimulation. Chronic infections like hepatitis C or HIV can also influence this process by causing ongoing immune activation, which may lead to genetic changes in lymphocytes and promote lymphoma development. The spleen can also be involved secondarily in other lymphomas, such as diffuse large B-cell lymphoma, where cancer cells spread from other parts of the body. Sometimes, lymphomas originate primarily in the spleen, although this is less common. The immune environment within the spleen, including cells like macrophages, can sometimes reduce the normal process of cell death, allowing abnormal lymphocytes to survive longer and potentially turn into cancer. In essence, the spleen's role in lymphoma development is multifaceted. It provides a home for lymphocytes where they can respond to infections, but this same environment, especially under chronic stimulation or infection, can sometimes foster genetic mutations. These mutations may lead to the uncontrolled growth of lymphocytes, resulting in lymphoma. Understanding this helps doctors diagnose and treat splenic lymphomas more effectively and highlights how vital the spleen is in balancing immune defense and the risk of cancer. Always remember, if you have concerns about lymphoma or your immune health, consulting a healthcare professional is the best step to get personalized advice and care.